Ladies, 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 you out here taking care of everybody else but yourself. This video will walk you through step by step how to detangle your hair once you take some braids out. So first, you need to get some water. Get a spray bottle and make sure you wet that thing up really, really nice. Second, go ahead and grab your favorite conditioner. You want to be generous with the amount of conditioner you put throughout your hair so that all your strands are moisturized. Third, do not grab a skinny comb. Please grab a wide tooth comb. And instead of combing your hair out from the top down, go ahead and comb it out from the bottom up. You want to slowly but surely take all the knots out as much as you can with the wide tooth comb. And depending on how much you want to detangle your hair, then you can gradually go to a less wider or a thinner tooth comb, if that makes sense. But you don't want to go too thin because you might end up taking or breaking some of your hair. If you are here for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Debbie and I am the PG County Unbraider. I specialize in coming to your home and taking down any protective style you have with care. I provide detangling services so that as soon as your hair is undone, you're still able to retain your hair health with the most important part. And I also offer wash and conditioning services. Finally, there are a select few styles that I do offer as well, such as installing faux locks or kinky twists. My number one goal is to provide luxury top-tier service by coming to your home and reducing any stress that you may have, making sure you don't have to deal with any salon waits, but also making sure that your hair is healthy and taken care of. So once you comb out that section, go ahead and put it in some jumbo twists so that it's easy for you to take down when you are ready to wash your hair and do what's next. And that, my friends, is how you safely detangle your hair after you've taken out a protective style. Don't say Mrs. Debbie didn't tell you. Bye.